Okay, we're recording now. So we're going to measure the distance across the river, and there's a bush in front of me. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a tree that looked like it was struck by lightning. Stephen picked that as his obstacle, or I'm sorry, as his landmark across the way. And then directly across, we got this piece of someone's sandal. That's going to mark the land. That's going to mark the two spots. The what I call it was landmark. So there's our tree. So, Stephen, what do we got over here?
Compass.
Okay, where's it pointing?
That way.
It's pointing at your landmark across the river, right?
Yep.
And what number do you have dialed in?
0.
Okay, so you want to tell our.
I'm gonna walk that way until it's at 45.
Okay.
So away I go.
Okay. Well, all right. Well, I'll be right here. It's going to be quite a distance, Stephen.
Yeah, I get that, but I need to see how it goes on the way.
Looks like, based on what we did this before we came here, when we stepped off our pace, it looks probably about 125, 150 feet, maybe. So, you don't have. Okay. There's our landmark over there. It's right next to somebody built a deck there. It must be nice to live right on the water. Okay, let me get a good look at it.
Okay, 44.
Can't really focus on it, but yeah, it's 45. Yeah, this isn't going to be an exact science. All right, well, so what do we got to? I don't see anything around to mark this spot. You know what? I'll just drop my hat. Okay, you want to step it off? Back to our original spot and count. This is why we were counting those steps. You don't need to look. You don't need the compass anymore. You got your two spots. Normal steps.
$55.
Okay, 55 and a half. So get out your phone. It's got a calculator on it.
Probably.
So if 100 feet was 42, you want to get 100 divided by 42. And then multiply by 55 and a half. This is called algebra. Did you have algebra in school yet? Okay, so what's the number?
132 and 1/7.
132. Okay. What did I say by eyeing it up? I said about 125 to 150.
Yeah. So.
All right. Well, you know what?
Now I have to swim across with a tape measure.
No, we're gonna. I gotta go back and get my hat. So hold on to this. No. Hold on to the orange thing. Stand on the spot, and hold the orange thing.
Ow.
That's 100, right?
Yeah, you're at the end of your rope.
Okay. Start walking towards me. Bring it with you.
Start reeling it in?
You can. Okay. You estimated 137, but this tape measure is only 100 feet. So measure from my big toe to my hat. Go ahead.
Oh, well, shouldn't you start walking then, and then
I suppose I could.
now that I'm marking this, yeah, and then
All right, just crank it in. Oh, a little more right there. What are we at?
22.
22. So this distance is 122 feet. Yet when you did the simple math algebra, you came with 137. See, the paces it's just an approximation. It's not going to be exact. So, but we learned that the river is approximately 120 to 130 feet wide. And now, since there's a dam down there, we could actually measure it for real.
All right.
So let's go give it a shot.